Mustang 4-cylinder turbo in sexy red, burgundy, red or burgundy, whatever you choose is fine. Factory converters there, factory resonator there. Then we 2.25 pipe. Then we added 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side where the mufflers were. We did a muffler delete there and there. Put some massive 5-inch carbon fiber tips because why not? It just looks sexier and nicer. Look at that spoiler out the back. Just a really beautiful color all the way around. There's the stock 2 mufflers that were on it right there that we cut off. Ugly. Nice. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to Exhaust That. Action! Yeah, see, it's not too long. That's perfect. Oh, nice. Got some pop to it. Here's sound decibels again. One more. Right at 105. Again. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds good. I like it. That's not bad at all. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Rear muffler delete, 5-inch carbon fiber tips. Yeah! Haha, enjoy guys. I like it.